Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to start up our 72 Chevy Monte Carlo. Got air. I think the high fan blower relay needs to be there's your stereo, there's your gauges. It's cold. Half a tank or just under half a tank. Clock does not work, but that's not anything different. There's your blinkers. Horn does not work. No. Wipers do work. Dome light works. Door shut great. There's your Fitech system. There you see your air. 350 in it. Runs like a watch. There's your lights. Tail lights in here got good sound and no exhaust. Nothing over the top, just a nice little rumble to it. Disc brakes. So, very nice car. 605-695-7391.